your face.
Why are you recording?
Because this is fun. You know, I'm only teaching English, but this is from your computer class, right? What's this?
English. I
In
science.
science, because we are learning the forces, acceleration, masses, and speed,
Yes.
and also friction. O,
It
diba?
has to be have a math too. But yes,
Ah,
I
yeah.
know it.
It's actually a combination of math, English, and science. Okay.
Yeah.
And also on how to analyze things. So we are now answering the letter E question. It says describe the motion. Describe the motion, the box of the box, maybe of the box.
Yeah, maybe.
Can you read the question? It's not
Then
clear.
describe the motion to the box under when you make it change direction.
Describe the motion of the box under what?
Describe the motion describe the motion the box under grip
I don't
when you
understand.
make it
Under what?
change direction.
Under 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 I don't know. I don't know.
Wait.
Under
I don't
when?
know how to pronounce it.
Under, can you send me the word? I don't understand eh.
I
Uh,
send you the
when it
Oh,
when you make it change direction. When you make it change
direction.
direction. Sorry. What's the word?
I don't know.
Under, let me check your message. Yo, I don't see your message.
In the I send you something.
In my messenger? In
No,
our
in Messenger.
Zoom. Undergoes. The box. Describe the motion of the box undergoes. It doesn't make sense. I don't think it's a good question. Describe
I
the
don't
motion
think
of the
so too.
box
To make it change
under
direction.
blank. Under what? Under. Can you ask your friend
Yeah,
what
what?
this
I
word
just
is?
see the undergoes.
Undergoes. Box.
Yeah.
I think when it undergoes. Huh? The question is confusing.
It make me confused too, teacher.
Describe the motion of the box undergoes. This is incomplete. Undergoes.
I
Maybe the movement. Describe the motion of the box movement. Huh? Wait lang.
yeah,
Let's
I
see.
think so because they not
So it already stopped kasi we added the friction. Let's reset, okay? Let's reset. So
yeah.
first we need to click on the masses, the speed and acceleration, and then put the friction to none. And then what we did is we increased the newtons. Oops, that's too many. Too much, too much. Only 100. Um, 100 newtons can actually make the box go faster already, right? But you can actually put the newtons to 500. So what we did to stop the box is we had to increase, slide the friction to none. Let's see if it will stop without adding any mass. Ah, did you see, Hannah? It
No.
it stopped. You're no, you
I don't
didn't
know
see.
how I don't know what did you but I
What did
see
I
it that
do?
it was stuck. Yeah.
You saw. I did slide the friction to lots.
Oh, you did?
Okay. Yeah, I did. I only had to slide the friction to lots, and then the box stopped without me adding any mass actually.
Hmm.
Yeah, let's try without sliding it to friction. Without sliding the friction to lots, kung mag-stop siya. Let's add the ano muna, newtons. Let's speed up by increasing the newton. And then how to make it stop? How to make the box stop? I will try to add mass. What did I add last time? This one. This.
You set that
350.
up.
Huh?
Nothing.
Let me see if it will stop. Oh, I did add it too fast. Wait. Okay, stop. And then I will add this one. 200 and 100 kilograms. I don't know if it will stop. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't think it's stopping because the speed is not increasing, not decreasing. You can see hindi siya bumabagal, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So there are two ways on how to make it stop. It's either, okay, let's put it here. Let's encode. Let's put your um add how to make the box stop. We need to increase the mass from 50 kilograms to 150 to 350 kilograms. Okay, I will put kilograms, and then slide the friction to lots, or I will put here, or actually even without adding mass, it will stop kapag ini-slide mo na yung friction to lots right?
Yeah.
Okay. But it's actually, to think about it, halimbawa, you are pushing a box. How to make the box stop is to harangan siya, or to stop it with something, or block the way by something. That's what happens when you slide the friction to lots Halimbawa, when the car or when a truck is, it's running very fast, how to make it stop? You have no way of stopping it. The only way that you can stop it is to bump it into a wall or a tree. That's all. Kasi even if you add even if you add mass to the box, it doesn't stop Did you see? It doesn't stop even if you add mass. It doesn't stop.
Yeah.
Let's add a little bit of friction. Is it stopping? I think it's a
No.
regular, it's still on its regular speed.
Yeah.
Okay, it's still in regular speed. Let's go to friction force. Okay, is it stopping? Is it stopping?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's taking so long. Okay, so even if you don't put the friction to lots, mag-add ka lang ng friction. Put the friction into average level in the middle. It will stop na.
In that
Kapag
middle.
we're not in the middle, we are.
Yeah. Oh.
We are. Nasa
Okay.
middle. Okay. Nasa middle siya. But we added, we added, so we need to change our sentence. Where is our sentence? Oh no, here. Okay. And then slide the friction back to the middle. Okay? To the middle. Okay? To the middle or in the middle. That's okay. Back to the middle. Okay? Or average level.
That
Or
even is describe the motion.
the average level, right? Yung friction niya nasa average level lang kasi nasa gitna siya. It's in the middle, right?
Yeah.
But the question for letter E, the instruction is not
It's
so
kind
clear.
of,
So I'm not
yeah.
sure about this. Describe the motion of the box undergoes when you make it change direction. This is so confusing.
I searched it and
Uh,
it was select the app and check the force values and speed boxes. Place
you
another
did
phrase
research
on
on
top.
Google? On
Yeah, of
Google?
the phrase.
Can you
Yeah,
copy and paste it into the chat box?
sure.
Okay, let me see.
Yeah.
This is your, what class is this? Science, right?
Science.
Hmm.
It's kinda no, hard to right.
Yeah, I know. This is science. Ano,
Here.
lesson. Wow, that's a very long explanation. Reset
Yeah,
the app.
I know,
Quick
right?
click, check the force values and speed boxes. Wait, let me see the picture. Reset. Okay, wait lang. Let's reset muna. Now, let's click on the 3 and then add the newtons. And then how to, what did you, ano ba? What did you type on Google? Reset
What?
the app, check the forces. Check the forces. Na-check na yung forces. Values.
I
Ah,
just hit the no pages of 11 force and newtons laws.
speed. Kulang masses. Determine the minimum amount of the forces required. Forces required to move the crates. Determine the minimum amount of force required to keep the blocks moving at constant speed. Record this below. Minimum force required to move the crates to 51 newtons. Oh my gosh. Uh, let me go back to the instruction. Our time is almost over. Describe the motion of the box that undergoes. Okay. Maybe we will stick to the answer that you got from Google. Yeah?
Right?
And you ask what time is your science class ba?
It's so many, you remember, teacher?
What time
They
nga?
ano,
I'm not sure. I forgot.
I
What
know you
time?
said it here. Wait.
Later I will check it. But first you need to clarify the letter E to your classmate, okay?
Yeah,
Okay, and then send me a message. So that's it. So how do you reset? How do you reset? You just need to click this one. Itong reset
tomorrow
button.
is when ano, Thursday or Wednesday?
Tomorrow is only Tuesday.
Ah, Tuesday. Okay.
Okay, Hannah? Oh, this is fun actually. This is like playing computer game but basic, right?
No, it's not.
Why? This is fun. I think Aliyah will
It's
love
not.
this.
I think ano, it teacher it was 8:30 to 9:30
It's
a.m.
early. Oh, you need to
Yes,
ask her now and then maybe, or I wake up early though, very early. I wake up
wake
at
up.
6. Yeah.
I wake up at ano, 7:30 because I have alarm clock.
Okay. So how do you make them stop? You either click the pause or add friction, yun na, so that you have other ideas on how to make the box stop. It's either you pause the play button or add mass. You need to add mass to it and then increase your friction or go to the average level. Ano to? Here. The friction is 46564 Newton. That's the friction. 4564 N.
Yeah, friction.
Yeah, that
Force.
is the average level. Or maybe you can go to 600. Yeah? It's
Mm-hmm.
either 600 or 500. 500, let's see, 500. It's too far na. 550. 550 friction. Okay? So always increase the friction para you can make things stop. You can always make things stop kapag in-increase yung friction. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Okay.
All right, that's all, Hannah. I'll see you tomorrow again. Bye bye.
Bye bye, teacher.
Yeah.